As the discontent continues to spread over the squad named by the West Indies selectors to defend the World T20 title right away, let me admit, me don't like the squad either. I don't think the selectors got it right. Now, first of all, I cannot see how Jason Holder cannot make a West Indies T20 squad. This notion that Ravi Rampal and O'Shane Thomas and Obed McCoy going to blast out opponents is foolishness. Holder is just as good or even better as a bowler and would add value that they don't have to the batting. This other thing that we already have Bravo and Pollard and Russell as all-rounders, so we don't need Holder. Well, play Holder as a bowler then. Make him bat at number 10 or number 11, and we take him batting as a bonus. Next foolishness. Oden Smith, Sherfane Rutherford, and Sunil Narine excluded based on fitness. But Chris Gayle is in the squad. By the way, the same unfit Oden Smith was consistently the fastest bowler in the just concluded CPL. The unfit Rutherford was among the top run scorers in the CPL. Now, as for the unfit Narine, Hayden Walsh Jr. and Roston Chase, who are in the squad, any other Monday can bowl cricket ball like Sunil Narine. And look, I hope you're all wrong and the West Indies successfully defend their title. But if they don't, Roger Harper and his entire band of selectors need to lift up.